Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 3rd, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, an investigation into Tesla's full self-driving FSD system has revealed some concerning data about its performance in accidents. Researchers hacked salvaged Tesla FSD computers to extract raw autopilot data, uncovering how the system's decision-making can lead to dangerous situations. Despite the rollout of the latest FSD update, version 12.5, two major publications have reported negative findings. A Bloomberg analyst highlighted instances where the system misinterpreted traffic signals and lane markings, requiring human intervention. In a more alarming report, the Wall Street Journal reenacted 222 Tesla crashes using the hacked data and accident footage. They discovered that in 44 incidents, the vehicles veered suddenly, and in 31 cases, they failed to stop or yield, leading to severe accidents. One notable crash involved a Tesla colliding with an overturned trailer, which the system failed to recognize. Experts suggest that these issues stem from both hardware and software limitations, including slow algorithm updates and poor camera calibration. This investigation underscores the complexities and risks associated with autonomous driving technology. Switching gears, Tesla has filed a lawsuit against EVject, the manufacturer of the Escape Connector, a breakaway EV charging adapter designed for quick disconnection in emergencies. Tesla claims the product is highly unsafe and poses significant risks of injury and property damage. The lawsuit, filed in the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California, seeks to prevent EVject from marketing the adapter as safe, ban its import into the U.S., and demand at least $75,000 in damages. Tesla's testing revealed that the Escape Connector can reach temperatures as high as 100 degrees Celsius during high-current charging, raising concerns about potential overheating. EVject has acknowledged this risk, particularly when used with the Cybertruck. Tesla argues that the product could also damage its supercharger cables, which are integral to its extensive charging network. The case raises important questions about safety standards in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. In another troubling incident, a Tesla Model S in full self-driving mode struck and killed a 28-year-old motorcyclist in Seattle in April 2024. The 56-year-old driver of the Tesla has been arrested on suspicion of vehicular homicide after admitting to looking at his cell phone while using the vehicle's driver assistance feature. This marks at least the second fatal accident involving Tesla's FSD technology, which Tesla claims requires active driver supervision and does not make the vehicle fully autonomous. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is currently investigating the crash. Experts have raised concerns about the limitations of Tesla's camera-based technology, which may struggle to accurately assess distances and detect various road conditions. Competitors like Waymo utilize more advanced sensor technologies such as LiDAR for better environmental detection. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has ambitious plans for achieving full self-driving capabilities, recently suggesting that future vehicles could serve as mobile lounges for entertainment and relaxation. However, the technology faces increasing regulatory scrutiny, with the NHTSA having launched investigations into multiple crashes involving Tesla's autopilot feature. Finally, let's switch to some lighter news from the gaming world. The latest installment of Friday Facts from Factorio introduces the Tesla turret, a new electric turret that players can unlock on the planet Fulgora. Unlike the smaller laser turret, the Tesla turret occupies a 4x4 area and is more powerful, but also consumes more energy. It fires a proton or ion beam that can cause secondary arcs of lightning, allowing it to deal damage to multiple targets through a chain lightning effect. The turret inflicts 60 electric damage per second and can chain lightning to secondary targets up to 10 times, making it effective against groups of enemies. In addition to its damage capabilities, the Tesla turret also provides crowd control by stunning enemies and slowing their movement, which can be strategically advantageous when used alongside other turrets like flamethrowers. The turret is more expensive to produce and can only be crafted on Fulgora, encouraging players to use it in key defensive locations. A handheld version of the Tesla turret, the Tesla Gun, is also available, focusing more on crowd control and can chain for longer distances. The design process for the Tesla turret involved balancing various inspirations while ensuring it did not resemble existing game elements too closely. The final design incorporates features from both the laser turret and nostalgic elements from classic games. The development team faced challenges in creating the visual effects for the turret's electric beam, ultimately resulting in a dynamic and visually striking representation of electricity in action. The Tesla turret is positioned as a fun and useful addition to the game, enhancing both gameplay and aesthetics. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Stay safe and see you next time.